Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top budget food ideas for 2025. Whether you're looking to save money or just want to try something new and exciting, we've got you covered. We're talking about smart shopping, clever cooking, and getting the most out of every ingredient. No more limp lettuce or sad, soggy sandwiches. We're going to elevate your budget meals from depressing to downright delicious. So get ready to ditch the takeout menus and put on your aprons. All right, you lot, let's talk plant-based. Plant-based eating is exploding, and for good reason. Lentils, beans, chickpeas. These are some of the cheapest ingredients out there, and they're packed with protein and fiber. You can whip up a hearty lentil soup or a spicy bean chili that will feed a family for pennies, compared to that pricey cut of meat you were eyeing. We're talking veggie curries bursting with flavor, smoky roasted vegetables that will blow your mind, and pulse-based burgers that actually taste incredible. So open your minds and let's get plant-powered. It's not just good for you, it's good for your wallet too. Listen, I run a kitchen, so I know the value of time. Meal prepping is your secret weapon against those last-minute takeout temptations. Spend a few hours on the weekend prepping your meals for the week, and you'll thank me later. Portion them out into containers, and you've got grab-and-go lunches and dinners ready to roll. Trust me, your wallet and your waistline will thank you. Chapter 3. Homegrown Heaven, from garden to plate on a shoestring. Get those fingers dirty and embrace the magic of home gardening. There's nothing more satisfying than eating food you've grown yourself. You don't need a massive garden, a small balcony, or even a windowsill will do. Start with easy-to-grow herbs like basil, mint, and parsley. Tomatoes, lettuce, spinach. They're all surprisingly easy to grow and will transform your salads from sad to sensational. And the best part, you know exactly what's going into your food. No pesticides, no nasty chemicals, just pure, fresh goodness. So get your hands dirty and start growing your own little piece of foodie heaven. Chapter 4. Bulk Buying Brilliance. It's not just about toilet paper. Listen up, you lot. Bulk buying isn't just for hoarders or those prepping for the apocalypse. It's a smart way to save money, especially on staples you go through like water. Think rice, pasta, lentils, beans. Buy them in bulk and watch your grocery bills shrink. Frozen fruits and vegetables are your best friend. They're just as nutritious as fresh, last for ages, and you can buy them in bulk without fear of them going off. Buying them in bulk might seem expensive at first, but it works out cheaper in the long run. Chapter 5. Leftover Love. Turn scraps into culinary gold. Stop binning those leftovers, you bunch of heathens. Leftovers are not the enemy. They're an opportunity for culinary creativity. That roast chicken from Sunday? Shred it and turn it into a delicious chicken salad, a hearty soup, or use it to stuff some peppers. That sad-looking half a head of broccoli? Roast it with some garlic and lemon for a simple side dish, or toss it into a frittata for a protein-packed breakfast. Breadcrumbs, croutons, bread pudding, the possibilities are endless. By getting creative with your leftovers, you'll be saving money, reducing food waste, and discovering delicious new ways to enjoy your food. Now that's what I call a win-win. Budget bites. You've got this. There you have it, you lot. Eating well on a budget isn't about sacrificing flavor or resorting to boring meals. It's about being smart, resourceful, and making every penny count. So get creative, experiment with new ingredients, and don't be afraid to try something different. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more budget-friendly tips and ideas. See you next time.